Today, drug-resistant infections, or superbugs, continue to spread at alarming rates. This means that globally, patients are battling an infection without the effective antibiotic or antifungal to treat them. At the same time, it's well known that development of new antibiotics and antifungals by pharmaceutical companies is not keeping pace with these deadly superbugs. Especially in low and middle-income countries, patients are disproportionately affected by these superbugs and usually do not have access to the innovative treatments to overcome these infections. It is therefore critical that for projects in the pipeline, companies develop access plans and stewardship plans to make sure that patients across the globe have access and that these new tools remain effective for as long as possible. The Access to Medicine Foundation tomorrow will publish a report zooming in on a few of these promising pipeline projects and how the companies developing them are planning for access and stewardship globally.
Yes, and in more detail, the report will examine how planning for access and stewardship during clinical development will help stop drug resistance. And this includes, for example, whether companies are planning to register their products in low and middle income countries, but also whether they are developing formulations that are specifically tailored for children. And our report analyzes 5 promising antibiotics and antifungals that are currently in the pipeline and target some of the most severe drug infections. And as such, we actually show that if these 5 promising antibiotics and antifungals are made available to patients who need them the most, at least 160,000 lives can already be saved from these infections each year. Finally, with increasing R&D funding coming from public and private funders, the report also highlights the role that these funders can play to ensure that the projects that they sponsor are actually made available to patients who need them the most.
Yeah, and as global health stakeholders are gearing up for a UN General Assembly high-level meeting on AMR in September of this year, this report comes at a crucial time, clarifying some of the gaps that need to be addressed. Make sure to check out this new report tomorrow, as it will be released on our website and be further discussed on social media like Twitter and LinkedIn.